How are you finding things?
I find things very successful for me. I love Envision with all my heart. I've joined November 25th, 2023 to be exact. I started going through ET, the technical analysis content. I want to say the beginning of January. And for me, I had a foundation prior to ET, but ET and the way Michael teaches with price action and market structure, it was like the cherry on top for my trading. It's something I didn't realize how much I lacked knowledge of price action and market structure specifically prior to ET. So it's taking price action, market structure on top of the foundation I already had prior to, it's like I said, the cherry on top. And it put things together for me very, very well. I ended the month of February with a 12.33% gain. So I think this is my best month. Like I make 3 years of trading on March 17th. So in about 14, 15 days. Best trading month thus far, thanks to ET. So I'm very blessed and grateful. And I'm looking forward towards I'm really curious to where I'll be by December 2024. Very curious because starting month two. I mean, really month three now, but I'm saying February was an amazing month. January was it was about almost break even, minus 2.2% month. But like I said, February was 12.33% gain. So I'm very curious to how the rest of this year is going to take off. So I'm very excited to immerse myself in Envision, the chats, the content, keep remaining a student, asking questions and whatnot. And yeah, I'm very proud to see my growth as a professional member in Envision markets.
Yeah, it's so good to see you leading by example with the work ethic because you've got habits in place, you've got routines in check, you're really putting the work in. And like you said, you are remaining a student, which I think is so key. So I really respect that. And I cannot wait to see who you are at the end of December 2024. It's going to be amazing. But what would you say the biggest thing has been for you in terms of like breaking through into that consistency with your trading? Has it been one thing or has it been a combination of things?
It's definitely been a combination of things. And I think the consistency of a combination of things is what really takes the momentum off. Like for me, I woke up at the same exact time every day, 5 a.m., wake up, 5 a.m. to 5:15. If I'm gonna be really technical with it, 5 a.m. to 5:15, make my bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, 5:30 to 6:30, read my Bible for like an hour. 6:30 to 7:30, I'll hop onto the charts, do a markup. So that way when I'm going into my trading session, I'm well prepared. I'm not trading blindly because I found in my trading, if I don't do my morning routine, I don't do my pre-market analysis, I don't feel as in sync with the market compared to actually coming to the market prepared. So yeah, that's that for me as well. And I do work full time right now. So after trading, I make breakfast, I work 9:30 to 6. After the work, I go to the gym for about an hour and train. After the gym, I come home, do my post-market analysis. Okay, what did the market do today? How did I perform today? If I didn't perform well today, what steps and processes can I put in place so I can perform better the next day? So that, and then after I do my post-market analysis, I watch some Envision content, would be my notes from Envision, and then that's pretty much my day. So it seems like little, but it's not. Like I said, it's really the small things over time that adds up. Kind of reminds me of that book, Atomic Habits. Like it really is the small things done consistently over a period of time. And it kind of reminds me, it's like I don't know if it's like a metaphor or whatnot, but it's just like imagine you're chopping out of like a piece of wood, right? You're just chopping, chopping, chopping. 13th time, 14th time, wood doesn't break. But out of a sudden, out of nowhere, in 25th time, it just breaks in half. It's kind of like that when it comes to momentum and like consistent habits, things like that. So yeah, overall, I'm very like my routine, very structured out well and it keeps me in check. And because of my routine, I'm able to now start seeing success and consistent profitability into the markets.
Yeah, and you can see why you're doing well as well. Even from an outside perspective, all these little things you are doing, you're very committed. You think the right way. You're thinking longer term. You're doing all the micro stuff, but thinking macroly. That's very important. So, yeah, very proud of you and how far you've come, and I cannot wait to see how you develop throughout the course of this year.
Thank you.